You a spry one. This is what sweet potatoes does to a little baby. Here. Here. Oh. Grandma's doing two things at the same time, running the camera and watching you eat. Here, one more. There we go. There we go. Yes, I see. You ready for another one? Huh? You ready for another one? Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-oh. Is that a little cooler than you expected it to be? Hmm? Or is it just too much? Yeah? Oh boy. No? You don't want no more, do you? Want one more? Okay. Oh. Oh. There we go. Like the camera, don't ya? Hmm? You like the camera? You want more? Ooh, look at that face. Yeah. Well, we're going to sign off for today. This is dinner, Saturday at Grandma's. Let's see. Today is June 4th, 2011. Just a little over Isabella's birthday, 1-year birthday. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good girl. Say bye-bye. Okay. Here we go.